Hi guys, in this video I want to take you on the process of how I made my turmeric oil. But first off, let me tell you the importance of turmeric oil. Turmeric oil is very good because turmeric contains an ingredient called curcumin. Now these ingredients, curcumin in turmeric, will help you to cleanse your skin from hyperpigmentation and blemishes. This turmeric oil will help to brighten your skin. If you're having dark knuckles, if you're having patches and discoloration on your skin, just apply this turmeric oil and leave it overnight. Then the next day you wash it off. This turmeric oil will help to gradually fade those dark spots and give you a radiant, even skin. And secondly, if you're the type that do not like to buy store-bought body oil, you can use this turmeric oil as your body oil. And the best part of it all is that this is cheap and even better off than the store-bought turmeric oil. Now let me show you how much I spent in producing this oil. For the oil base, I'm using this cotton baby oil because it is gentle and very mild, so I am using it. It costs 1,500 naira. And then I bought organic turmeric powder. This how it looks like. One pack is 500 naira. I bought two, so 1,500 plus 1,000, which is 2,500. And you will see the outcome of this oil. You will see the quantity that I got from 2,500 naira products that I use. All right guys, let's do this. Okay guys, here are the basic things you need. Okay, you need your oil base, you need an airtight container and your turmeric powder. So in your airtight container, turn in your turmeric powder just the way I am doing here. I'm going to show you how it looks like. Okay, that is my turmeric powder in my airtight container. And then you come in with your body oil. In this video I used the cotton baby oil. You can use any oil of your choice, even coconut oil will be so fine. Then I am putting in my oil in my airtight container because I want to do the cold press method. Okay, I don't want to apply any form of heat in this oil, so that it will come out really natural without any form of pressure from heat and stuff like that. So I am stirring it. I am stirring my turmeric mixture with my oil base. You need to stir it to dissolve the turmeric. If there is any mold, dissolve it so as your oil will come out as good as possible. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. You take your time and stir it for at least a minute. This is how it looks like now. So I'm going to go ahead to cover my oil now. That's my cover, that's the lid. So I'm going to cover it and then I will put it in my refrigerator for 1 full week. Okay, that is how it looks like after the mixture. I'm going to put it in my refrigerator for 1 full week, and then let's see the result after 1 week. Guys, this is our result after 1 week. Let's extract our turmeric oil. Are you seeing what I am seeing? It looks so beautiful. It came out so well. Guys, this is how to make your turmeric oil. Your oil is ready. Now you go ahead and put it in a bottle. Okay, put it in a bottle. This is mine. I'm turning it. So I'm pouring my oil now into my bottle. I have extracted my turmeric oil. Looks so good. It's going to refresh my skin. Guys, will you be trying this? If you will be trying this, let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I am so grateful. Please do well to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you and have a nice